And as he's walking out of the church with Lisa, guess what he realizes? All the pain in his back is gone. It's, oh my God, of faith healing. Now, this whole process of our thoughts interacting, and nutrition, has a mystical name that seems to boggle the minds of insurance companies. It's called life. And see, everything that we think, everything that we eat, all of our emotions affect our immune system. There is a rapidly growing field in medicine called psychoimmunology, learning how our thoughts and our feelings affect our immune system. And it also affects our pain thresholds. So this is how life works. So your therapist and your healthcare practitioners are going to be evaluating, if you're someone who's in chronic pain, all these factors. And what their goal is going to be is to get you functioning below your pain threshold. And they may use a variety of modalities to do that, including neuromuscular therapy.